Hello guys, for today's video, I will tour you around Dakota Dunes Resort and Casino. We book here for 2 nights because they have a promo for a couple with free dinner. Kaya we grabbed the opportunity na mag-relax dito for some time. And we took this video during winter time. Kaya as you can see, the surrounding has still snow on the ground, and it is very relaxing. So i-share ko sa inyo what we can see inside here, and come, let's go and see what is in here. So ito ang ano nila, reception area. Mayroon silang fireplace, so be careful, don't touch the glass. And sa labas, outside, you can eat outside. Mayroon silang medyo upuan doon. At pwede ka mag-order ng pagkain sa restaurant nila, and then you can take your food outside. And this is the reception area. Pwede kang mag-relax dito, paupo-upo. There is the barbecue area. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Sa 4th floor kami. And dadalhin kita doon. Ayan na. Okay. Samahan niyo kami dito sa room. What is a room? Room 430. So dito tayo ngayon. Yan ang room natin. Tadang! So, this is our room. Nandiyan na si Gia sa loob. Nag-una-una siya. Okay, ito ang washroom nila. So, mayroong siyempre salamin, shower na transparent. At saka, siyempre, toilet. Nandiyan ang toilet nila. Ano pa ba? Okay, mayroon silang, yan, pag naligo ka, gamit. Ito ang mga kape-kape at saka fridge na maliit, TV, o diba? At ang kama na ginulo-gulo na. Okay. So, overlooking ito kasi nasa 4th floor kami. Mayroon siyang upuan, may mesa. That's it. Ano pa bang ine-expect mo? O yan, makita mo ang parking lot sa baba. So, di ba? Ang ganda tingnan. Pag magmuni-muni ka dyan, yan o, nagmuni-muni na si Akets. Pag bababa ka naman, ito ay papunta na to sa casino. So, pag nakarelax ka na doon, mag-casino ka na. So, papuntang casino, may nakamount dyan na mga display of indigenous stuff. Ito mga moccasin, mga gawa ng handmade, handicraft. I mean, handmade by the tribes. And this is their souvenir shop. So, pwede ka siyempre, for souvenirs, bibili ka ng mga earrings, bracelets, tribal dress, and everything. So, kung anong gusto mo, pili ka lang dyan. Mga kwintas-kwintas, siyempre, kung ano ang mga gawa, handicraft ng mga tribes or indigenous people. And opposite is the Moose Woods. Ito yung restaurant nila dito. So, yan ang kanilang restaurant. It looks woody.
Old fashions are really good.
Diba?
Negronis are good, but they're kind of strong.
Yeah, I know. It's a very stupid question to ask.
No worries.
I take a video, right? It's nice here. It's our first time.
It's your first time? Well, welcome.
She likes to vlog. She's a vlogger too. So.
Yan. Nakaka-amaze itong frame ng kanilang fireplace. O diba? Bakit may fireplace? Kay winter man. Nag-fireplace ka ba kung summer? So, it's winter, kaya may fireplace. Pero na-amaze talaga ako sa frame nila. At sa gilid naman, mayroong mga drinks. Ang daming bote. Kaya mga palahubog, pasok. Mga palainom pala. Pili na kayo. So, sa labas, pwede ka. Pero, winter ngayon, kaya huwag kang magstay sa labas. Ito, parang inisa-isa talaga yung wood at saka dinikit sa sa wall. Kaya it looks natural, beautiful. At itong si Gia, nilapitan pa talaga. Sabi niya, mainit kaya talaga ito. Yan. Yan na. Pili ka na. O, diba? Halik ka na. Mga palahubog. Yan, si Gia. Pero, hindi man yan palahubog si Gia. Okay.
See the decoration. It's actually.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, dear. Cheers.
Good luck today. Maybe $1,000. So this must be enough.
Let's try. Very, very soft.
The banga ribs. Okay.
Really good soft. It's good.
That's it. You like it?
It's so soft. Tender.
Really?
With this. It's good. Very good.
This is a bison.
This is a
Bison
bison meat.
Bison steaks.
This one. Atatan ka.
Bison ribs, huh?
Lip.
Awesome. Really, really, really good.
Very, very soft.
Tender. The meat is falling off the fork. This is bison meat that you don't get in the market.
Bison.
You know what bison is? It's rich protein and fat.
Good. That's why the server said you will feel like heaven.
This one. It's well marinated.
So tender and good. If you will eat this one, you will drop your underwear.
You're right.
Good.
This is rich.
Yeah guys, so para matagkaon, maghanap tayo ng CR. Ito ang CR katabi ng restaurant. So, yan ang linis-linis, kintab-kintab, kumukuti-kutitap. Yan ang CR nila. So, salamin pala, nasa katapat pala ang CR. O yan. So, paglabas mo dito, yan ang labas. Okay, pa diretso na yan.
425.
Papunta
Yeah.
na yan doon sa casino. So, tara na! Let's go na! No need money. Mag-enjoy lang tayo, manood tayo dito at maglaro ng konti lang. Casino entrance. Yan na. So, bawal dito ang minor, ha? Remember that.
Where? Here?
Dito sa loob ng casino na talaga guys, mayroon ding Arrowhead Grill. Restaurant din yan. Pwede ka mag-order ng pagkain dyan. O diba?
Let's try this. What is? Come.
Yeah, let's try again this one. Really.
Do you think we will win today? Yeah.
Let's play Mighty Cash.
Let's try this. Mighty Cash.
Yan, naglaro kami ng Mighty Cash slots machine. Nanalo kami ng konti. Pina-encash agad dito sa cashier. Kaya, inalugi. Huwag ka na lang padala sa mga bugso ng damdamin. I will show you again the whole building. So, yan ang resort and casino. So, doon sa baba ka dumaan, sa gilid. And you have to go through casino on that farther end. Yun, yung may mga bison. Yan, that is the entrance to the casino. So, ito, galing ito sa kwarto namin. At iba na naman ang pupuntahan natin. Punta tayo sa taas, sa 6th floor. Anong meron dito? Ang mga walang ligo. Pwede ka dito mag-dive-dive sa kanilang swimming pool. Nandito sa 6th floor ang swimming pool nila. Ito, may naliligo pagdating ko dito. So, paikot-ikot lang tayo. And the same, glass ang kanilang dingding. So, you can still see the outside. So, you can dive. There is a place for mga bata. Yan. At saka adults. So, you can enjoy swimming. Cool. Keep yourself cool dito sa swimming pool. At saka, cool naman sa labas. It's cool because it has snow. Ayan ang labas, guys. So, nandyan ka sa loob ng swimming pool but still you can see outside. And then, pag ikot-ikot mo dito, if you're tired na, pagod ka na sa paglangoy-langoy mo, pwede ka namang lalabas talaga sa area. And before ka lalabas, syempre, magligo-ligo ka muna at saka mag-posing-posing ka, picture-picture ka muna para masulit mo talaga ang area. Pwede ka magbaba dyan. Higa-higa ka, magpamassage-massage, and lotion-lotion. O yan na ang kanilang area of the swimming pool. O diba? Malinis ka na. Tapos ka na sa pagligo. Kaya, nag-isip-isip ka kung saan ka na naman pupunta. Kaya mag-picture-picture muna. Para mayroon kang remembrance. At may sa gilid nito, may pinto dito, pwede ka rin lumabas. This is going outside na sa rooftop nila. I mean, 'di ba may parang open area doon sa gilid ng swimming pool. Lalabas ka ng pinto. And this is what you can see. So, pag winter time, snowy, pwede ka dito mag-enjoy ng snow. You can sing. And then, singing under the snow, not singing in the rain. So, ito yon. Makita mo rin sa labas ang view. Kaya maka-enjoy ka talaga sa nature. Okay, sa kabila, ang opposite end, mayroon siyang wall. Pero sa kabila, makita mo talaga yung makita mo talaga yung the view of the place. So, that's it. That is our tour for today's video. Thanks for watching.